Oh, you're listening to Talk Radio with Dale. You're about to get D'd. Now,
knock.
first caller. Yes, knock knock, ring ring.
Ring ring.
Okay, you're on Denton Radio.
Oh, you're my hero.
Yeah, you're my hero.
Thank you. Hello?
Red, are you okay?
I feel like the Okay, go. I feel like the lame kid at the sleepover who always falls asleep first.
My bubby.
I forgot, man. Host for bros.
You did forget host before
I
bros
did.
before hoes. It's bros before hoes, bro.
Saul, I'm sorry for being a bad friend. Dale, you're a new friend. But if you guys hurry and you make it out the back, I won't tell them on you, and maybe you can go.
Okay, thank you.
Should we be trusting Red? Let's go.
Quick, guys, leave it at the back door. If you run hurry, you can catch him.